Hey guys, a box unboxing and a review of Tamiya's F-16C Thunderbirds. It's the United States Air Force display team. Let's take a look. That's that side of the box. This side, what the plane can potentially look like. And this side is not a great deal on the box. We get a manual sheet, decals, one bag, two bags, three bags, 4, 5, clear glass, and then we get tinted clear glass. I'm not too much of a fan of this tinted glass, and you just get some instructions about the kit, which is don't feed it to your dog, and don't eat the kit, and don't stick it in the dishwasher, that sort of crap. Right, let's take a look at these sprues quick. This is not 100% sure what most of these parts are for the F-16. I haven't done an F-16 kit, so I have no idea what these parts are. There's a bit of undercarriage I can work out. I think that's kind of a drop tank or fuel tank, or it could be where they house the smoke when they do display. I really don't know. There's the nose, I gather. I'm really not sure what these parts are. I have to look in the instructions. Two parts in this bag. Looks like these two sprues are identical. Almost identical. This one has drop tanks again, seats, wings, missiles. I suppose you can make it a military version, so you don't have to make it the display team. Get a pilot. It looks pretty good, pretty detailed. I'm no good at painting figures, so that's why I never bother sticking them in my planes or whatever they come with. Same again, the sprue, drop tanks, bombs, missiles, wheels. This bag has another two sprues in it. Looks like identical parts. I know. More wheels, undercarriage. Turn the light on a bit so you've got loads of light. More undercarriage maybe. Exhaust. I might try and pick up some resin parts for this actually. We'll see. Another pilot. Is this a 2C version? Not sure. We've got some little bushing type things here and some pins, so I'm not sure these might be for the wheels. I really don't know. We have to look in instructions in a minute. Here's the top side of the plane with wings and part of the fuselage. Detailing is pretty good, it's really good. It's a shame the kit's done in white plastic. I mean, back in the day when I was younger, I wouldn't have bothered painting these. I just would have put it together because it's white, saves nothing to paint it. I know it's a shabby way of doing it today, but that's how I would have done it when I was young. When I was younger. Really good. Tongue tied for words today. I just got in from work as well. There's the underside body, again nicely detailed, panel lines, rivets. The upper side of the cockpit. Right, and here's his glass. Both glass pieces are identical, but just one's tinted and one's not. Yeah, a bit of a nicely clear glass. There's a big centre seam down the middle. I've tried getting it out before, but I just can't I can't do it. Unless you've got comments down below for me, any ideas how you could do this? Because I've tried before and I've just screwed it up completely. And so I just leave it in. I mean, it doesn't bother me. A lot of people it would, but to me, I'm not bothered about it. I mean, I ain't no professional or anything. I mean, I build the kits just for fun. I mean, that's what it's all about. I don't get all anal about it, of how the canopy looks. I don't take my kits to shows or anything, so I just build them for fun. That's what it's all about. And this is the clear one. A little bit scuffed. We should be alright. More clear lights and instrument panels maybe. Decals. I'm not looking forward to putting the decals on because of the shapes. It's a bit complex. I'm worried about getting it wrong or I end up splitting them or something and it's ruined. But I don't know. We shall see. Nicely coloured in register. Printed by Tamiya itself, 2008. Fairly new, very glossy though, very glossy. Quite thin actually, can't feel it to be thick. Hopefully these do go down well. Carrier film doesn't look too bad. Actually looks a little bit thick on camera, but I don't know, we shall see. But hopefully it shouldn't be too bad because they're all in parts, so it's just lining them up probably a bit hardest bit. More decals here. Oh, yep. These go underneath around the front nose. I've seen this before. These ones but USAF, United States Air Force. What plane number you want, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, because they have 6 planes. I presume that's where all the countries they've been to and done displays. And then squadron marking badges. Here's the manual. It's all about the aircraft and information about the kit as well, in English, and then Japan underneath. Safety information on top kit, colour callouts, and then you start with the cockpit. Putting the engine together, front part of the cockpit, putting all the wings and fuselage together, more engine. Oh, you got 2 types of engines. No, you ain't. Yes or no? I don't know. Underside parts of the wings, the wheels, and undercarriage. Lining up the undercarriage. Is that a air duct, airflow duct? Front wheel. Lining up the wheels and placing the decal before putting the front wheel on. Makes sense because it goes underneath it slightly. And it's lining up with the decals. In wheel covers, tail wheels, wings, ejector seat, and then if you're going to put the pilot in, how to mask up the canopy, frame, nose, having the canopy closed or open, the end of the wings, what is that? Block 32 and block 52. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. And then it's the instructions for where the decals go. Again, another one. And then just more instructions, what not to do and stuff, and so that's the Tamiya's 1/48 scale F-16C Thunderbirds. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll catch you next time.